Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace struts on a Ford Escape. First, gather all your necessary tools, including a jack stands, and a torque wrench. Make sure you have your new struts and any required mounting hardware ready. Always prioritize safety by wearing protective eyewear and gloves throughout the entire process. This ensures a smooth and secure repair. Once you have your tools, safely lift the vehicle and secure it firmly on jack stands. Next, remove the wheel to gain access to the strut assembly. Carefully disconnect the brake line bracket and any other attached components. Then, loosen and remove the bolts that secure the strut assembly to the steering knuckle. Take your time with each step.
Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that subscribe button and give us a like. Quick recommendation. On another note, if you love reading, check out the new Kindle Paperwhite. You can read anywhere with it, enjoying endless stories. Find the link for the Kindle and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video.
With the lower bolts removed, carefully detach the strut from the steering knuckle. Now, you'll need to compress the spring using a proper spring compressor tool. This is a critical safety step. Once the spring is compressed, remove the top mounting nuts from inside the engine bay to free the old strut assembly. It should then slide out. Now it's time to install your new strut. Assemble the new strut with the spring and top mount, ensuring everything is correctly aligned. Carefully guide the new strut into its upper mounting position and secure it with the top nuts. Then, reattach the lower strut bolts to the steering knuckle, tightening them to specification. Reconnect all components.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.